in our private sub, let's go to continue in our private sub. Here is our private sub. Then if there is empty, there is no image of that product ID, then what to do next, we are going to make that label to appear. Okay, so me.lblFetching.visible equal to true. First of all, then we are going to make these buttons to disappear. me.cmd. I can copy this thing here, so in order to make things go faster, I can copy this one, Control C. Then here we are going to paste these buttons. Then we change this to 3460. Then we change here, we can copy this one, copy, paste. Okay, so the button also disappeared. Then the label appeared, showing that it is searching the barcode or QR code. Then what next, we use this do event. Okay, do event to let it do something. So here now we are going to put the link for the for our QR code to be searched before the API to be searched. So here I have the URL that direct got the data from the API, which have been concatenated with my text box there fields into my form. So we'll grab those details and create the image of QR code and display it to your browser there. So go with me now here. So remember, we have this URL download file. We use this one. We copy this one. So here we use we are going to fetch the QR code. So we use this one, and when you see here URL ByVal P-Sarah as longs, ByVal SZ URL as string. So we put 0, comma, and here we put our URL for that API. So http semicolon, you know this, API dot qrserver.com. This is the link for the to go to that API. So you can go and check for this HTTP. We have HTTPS and the HTTP because we have HTTPS and the HTTP because when you put HTTPS, you mean the thing has the SSL securities. Okay, but when HTTP is not trusted security, but the server needs to be like that. Okay, because it's a free API. Okay, then how to get the exact image? Now we are in the server, QR server. So how to get that image and create? You put the / then v1. This is a vision of the QR code. Then we create QR code. Okay, create QR, then code, then we put /. Then we what do we create? We create by using data. Okay, what data? We create by using data. And what data? The data are the follows. Yeah, see here now we are going to put those our product. Okay, so we have the product name, we have those things. So we have product name, then concatenate, then we have what? So this will be long. So I can make this thing to be like this. Maybe let me shorten this thing, then I can manage to do. Yeah, and QR code, then you can put this one and this. Then you can put I forgot those fields. Let me see those fields. We have product name, brand name, barcode. Okay, go. Then a brand name, yes, concatenate, then double quote and %. Then we have manufacturer, concatenate, the code. Then we have manufacture date. Okay, concatenate, and XP date. concatenate, and Explicit concatenate, and what location, and concatenate, and address. See, address. Then you concatenate, and we make the size of that QR code. Okay, the size will be size. We can make 50-50 size. That's normal size will be equal to 50 by 50. 50 times 50. Okay, 50 times 50. Then we put comma, and we concatenate this thing here. Down here, then here we are going to direct to those to our path. So we use my path, then comma, then we put 0 for and it's 0. That's all. What the hell here? Manufacture. Okay, we have concatenation here. This one and this one. Location, we have forgot this one. So there was an error here on this color. Yes, this is our code now. So you see now, so after putting this thing and the show to and the after putting this thing to a directory, then we are going to make our label to be disappeared. Okay, so me dot rbl fetching dot visible equals to false. Okay, then and we make those buttons to appear. So we are going to copy here, copy this thing, copy this, then we are going to paste it here, paste. So let me rearrange this thing here. Okay, so we make the label disappear, and we make our button to be on the in the same state. Then that's where we when the path is equal to empty here. See, this path is equal to empty, then we download. And if the path is equal to, and if my path, yes, see, my path directory, my path then equals to empty. So this is when there is no internet. Okay, then it can say message box unable to download QR code. This is it. So and VBA information, the title will be no connection. So then we exit the sub, then we end if like this one. And if the file is already there in the directory, what to do next? So after the file is ready to in our directory, so now we are going to make it to be displayed to our web browser. So we are going to web QR code web QR dot control source equals to, remember, equals to, then we put those equals and this thing. Okay, then we concatenate to our path. Okay, our path is my path, then and percent, then we flip with those things. So see here, are we together? Whoa, I've mistaken here. 1 2 3 4. Oh, here it is only 3. Yes, like this 4, this 3, 1. Yes, like this. So here now we this is for QR code. Let me change this. QR copy, put here. Oh, brand name, brand name. Let me compile again. Then I forgot to end if here. If and if, then we end if here. We have 2 if here. Yes, I forgot to end if here. After existing, we have this sub. Here we have the if. Yes, here we have the if and if here. Yes, then we have another if, the insert, debug, the end code is clear. So now that's for QR code. So we are going to put for the barcode. Okay, for the barcode. So I am going to put this in for the barcode. The barcode, we have only the only one field, because here you see we have no barcode field. See, expanded, because we want the barcode to appear in the different way. So I am going to copy this. Yes. Ooh, wow. I am copy this. Yes, like this. See, copy, and here down I'll create a private sub. Then I'll create get barcode. Then so I am going to paste here, paste the thing what I've been pasting, this thing, get barcode here now. So we are going to revise this, okay. Then we can remove this here. Okay, we can move this thing, and here we can move this one for barcode. Okay, so now we have QR code, we have a barcode. Yes, we have the barcode here. So then we put this to be bar. Maybe we can yes, to be barcode. Let us use the bar. So it's barcode and current. So we will be having the two files with the one named as QR and the other is named as barcode. So our path will be the same. Here will be the PNG, then the same, then here the same. So in the label, we can put two label here, so it can be better. Let me go. We can put two label here. Okay, so this is a yes. Or we can make captions. Okay, yeah. Let me delete this one and put dot here, so as the label will not disappear. Then I am going to caption the label in the code. That will be the simple thing here. So go to load event. Go here. So here label visible, but will be named what. So here you see here label is not visible, but in the code here, get barcode, in the QR code, get QR code here, and the visible is equal to true. Then the label will be written what, me dot lbl, oh no, lb what is things, me dot, we have things wrong here. Okay, me dot, why not, yeah, we have the error here. That's why you see. Let me continue. First copy this one, me dot this fetching true, then we enable it to go to true, then equal dot caption equal to maybe downloading QR code. Okay, see here, then here we copy this one, then down here, downloading barcode. I not see I have the caption error here. This one QR. Yeah, do simply delete responsible click. Whoa, let me check here. Okay, I have used the name. Let me change the name here. CMD delete one. Okay, then I'm going to make here a CMD also delete one. I think it can help to do things. You see, because CMD delete is the, I think is the one used in a system here. The word is the preserved word. Yes, that's so. So now we have the barcode. Then we have this barcode. Here we the label will be captioned as this, and the button will be disappeared, and the event here will change here. So here now we change to another API. So I'm going to delete this to here. I'm going to delete this one. See here, then space, then 0, comma. Remember, we put our HTTPS. So here we have HTTPS. Here it is barcode API. So barcode API .org. So you go that site, you see in the documentation, you check the documentation there. Then here we will use the API. What we search auto. What auto? Search for auto. Then we make this one. Then we concatenate to our field to match our barcode. So we're going to make the barcode. Yes, barcode. Our field is barcode. Then comma. Remember 0 and 0. That's how we do. And the rest, unable to download, here we put barcode. Unable to download barcode. Then here we put web me.web barcode. Yes, web barcode. Yes, Whoa, I forgot here. You see, yes, I forgot here. So I forgot here my path. Wow. Yes, my path. Then we put the thing here, comma. Yes, you see, let us debug. Wow, that's good. So I was forgotten to put this my path here. That's why you see we have that error. Yes. So now when we go here, oh, unable to download the QR code because it is on load. Yeah. Yes. So remember we put this thing on load. Okay, on load. I prefer to put this thing on the get QR code or back. Okay, that should be good. So let me go to here and delete it here, unload, and go to here, get barcode, copy. So unload, where is unload? Get QR code, CMD new, CMD previous, CMD. We have to. So let me find this thing here. CMD get QR code. CMD barcode, CMD QR, this one. Then when you click this, okay, because it's hidden here, so you can't access it. When you click this, we want to get the barcode, and this is barcode and this is QR code. Copy, then put here barcode. We start with QR code and then barcode like this. Okay, so let us test. Boo. Ooh. So now we can omit this thing because I don't. Yes, we can omit this thing on load. Yes, we must omit this thing on load. Okay, copy and unload. Where is unload? Paste here and paste it down here. Change this one to dot web barcode, so as we can see things clear. Okay. Let me connect to my internet. Connect to the internet. Yes, I'm connected now to the internet, so as you can check for the QR code and barcode. So let me go here now. You see it's clear. So when you click here, you see downloading QR code, then downloading barcode. Yo, yeah, that's good. That's good. So let us go and write thing here. So because we wanna write maybe product name is coffee, cocoa, butter. Wow. Yeah, brand name is coffee. Okay. Then the barcode and this thing here. Manufacturer is what? 60 graphic. Expired date, manufacturer date today. Expired date maybe 2026. Yes, this much. Location is maybe DSM and address is block number this. Then we save. Product saved. So I'm going to get the QR code of this thing, barcode of this. So click get QR code. Yo, unable to download the barcode. Why? So we got a QR code very fast. So let me test for this. Oh, let me change the number here. Maybe I have exceeded the number because this is the free API. That's right. Yes, that's yeah. Here now, you get now. So we can get the QR code and the barcode by using that API. Okay. So the next thing we are going to show you how to print out to move out to PDF, so you can add them and use it to your product and the branding wherever you are. So bear with me now. My name is szFileName. Welcome 60 Graphics.